Hi, this is Paramita. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java and how to configure Java in your machine. And the one of the most popular IDE for Java is Eclipse, and how to install Eclipse. I'm going to show you that as well. There are a lot of other IDE in the market for Java like NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ, but Eclipse is one of the most popular IDE. This is a free source and it has got a lot of plugins which are really helpful. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install and configure Java in your machine and then how to install Eclipse as well. In Google, search that downloading Java JDK. So you got the first URL here. You can see that oracle.com. So you click here and see here. This is the latest version of Java, Java 17 at this moment. Maybe when you are going to watch this video, maybe it will be 18, 19, 20. Okay, so at the moment the latest version is Java 17. So we are going to download that. Uh, Now, in case if you need to download some previous version, you can do that as well. Okay, so now we'll download here. See documentation download. We'll not do this here. See here it's written already. Looking for other Java downloads. So in case if you need some previous version, then you can download from here. Okay. Now we are going to download the latest one. So I will select Windows. So this is Linux, this is Mac, this is Windows. Okay, so we will download this one. See, this is bin.exe file. We'll download this. We'll not download this zip or this .msi file. We're going to download this exe file. When you download the exe file, what happens? It install itself. You don't have to do anything. Just download it. Mm. So it's downloading now. You can see here. It may take some time. Yeah, so done. Once it's done, just double click here itself. Okay, I'm not clicking here because in my machine already Java is installed. So what you have to do, just double click here and then next. You don't have to do anything. It will install itself. Okay, but after that, what you have to do, you have to configure the Java in your machine. How to do this? I'm using Windows 10 here. In Windows 10, I'll go to this PC, okay, and then right click here, properties. In property, you go to advanced system settings. Then here you can see this environment variables, okay. That's where we have to set up. Now I have already set up but you have to set up, like, you can see this Java home variable. If it's already set up in your machine, then you don't have to do it again. But most probably, if you are doing it first, if you are installing Java first time, then you have to do it yourself. Okay, so how to do this? I'll show you. You have to create the Java home variable and you have to update your path variable. Okay, so first, what you will do, we will go to our this PC and then C drive, and here we have two folders, program files and another one, program files 86, like that. So within these two folders, in any one folder, you can find out our Java folder. In my case, I know I have in program files. Okay, see, there is a Java folder. It has been created. When we installed Java, so Java created this folder in our machine. So we'll click here. Then here you can see jdk11, because I installed jdk11 because I need it for some purpose, specifically jdk11. So if you have downloaded jdk16 or jdk17, so here you will be able to see a folder called jdk17. Okay, in place of 11 you will say jdk17. Now we will click here. After clicking here, you can see our bin folder is here. At this moment, to create Java home variable, we don't need to click the bin folder here. We just need this path, whatever you got here now on the top, see, up to JDK. Okay, so we'll select it and we'll copy it. Control C, and then again we will go to that environment variable. Okay. Then what we have to do, you will not have the Java home variable here if you are new, so you have to create one. Just click at new and type here capital letter Java underscore home. Okay, and here in the variable value you will paste that path which we copied there. Okay, see, that path is up to this JDK folder. So here if you have installed 17, it will be JDK 17. Okay, so then you have to click OK. I am not doing that because I already did this before. And then what you have to do here, you can find the path variable. Okay, this one. Just select it and edit. We have to edit. What we have to edit? We have to give the path of our Java bin folder. Okay, that bin folder is just like the path we selected. Like this was the path. So with that one, another black slash and bin. Okay, so that's what we have to do. Like that. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So just another slash and bin. Okay. So now I am not doing that one because I have already done there. So okay and okay. That's all about configuring Java. So just I'll show you another time what I did. Java, we'll go to JDK folder. So the first one, when we made the Java home variable, then we just took this path, okay? And for the second one, for updating the path variable, what we did, this bin, we'll click here also. And then the path will be like this, along with the bin, okay? We'll take this path for updating our path variable, okay? So that's all for Java. And then we are going to check in our machine if the Java is running or not. So for that, what we are going to do, we'll go to this start menu and cmd. The command prompt will come here, and in the command prompt I'm going to write Java space hyphen version. See, there is some problem. Maybe when I was, oh, okay, maybe I wrote the capital letter, that's all. Java space hyphen version. Yeah, sorry, Java is actually case sensitive. You know, whatever command is in small letter, you have to write it in small letter, otherwise it will not react. Okay, so at the first time I used capital letter, that's why it was not working. But the command is this one, small letter, Java space hyphen version. Okay, so here you can see my Java is running here and my version is 11.0.12. Now if you download 17, 16, your version will be showing 17 or 16 like this. So that's how we can check that whether Java is running or not. So now we are going to show how to download and install Eclipse. So for that, again we'll go to Google. Just type downloading Eclipse. Now here also, what happens, some Eclipse versions may not support like too old Java or anything, so there can be compatibility issue. So better you download the latest Java and the latest Eclipse, okay? So if you want to download the latest Eclipse at the moment, this is the latest one. So what we are going to do, see, is the download option. We are going to click here. Once you click, there are different mirrors actually from where we download Eclipse. Because I'm in Melbourne, Australia now, so this is the nearest mirror for me, so that's why it's showing this one. If you're in Canada or if you're in India, it may show a different mirror, okay? So now here this .exe file, these are it's similarly like the Java I did. It's going to install it yourself. You don't have to do anything, just download it, and after that you will get a .exe file like this here. And there it will take some time, it's quite a big file. So once you get the exe file here, just double click, okay? Then Eclipse will do everything itself. You don't have to do anything. In the latest Eclipse, you don't have to set the Java path also. Eclipse does itself. Okay, it will adopt, it will just find out from your machine. You don't have to do anything. All right, so nothing, just double click here and then do the next, the Eclipse will come. Because I have already installed Eclipse, so I'm not doing this in my machine now. Now what else I'm going to show you, I'll show you a few things in Eclipse. I'm launching my Eclipse here. I'll show you how to install or uninstall some plugins in Eclipse. Okay. because sometimes what happens, not for Java, but maybe we want to use Maven or Cucumber, we want to make a project for Cucumber or Selenium. So in that case, we may need some specific plugin for uh, for Eclipse. So in that case, what we are going to do, we will go to Help and then Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, and then here we can find out that plugin what we are looking for, like maybe for Cucumber. See, these two plugins, they are helpful for Cucumber. Cucumber is a software testing framework. So for that, we use this plugin. So similarly, for some other project, you may need some other plugin. Okay, so you can come here and you can install them. So if you click install, it will be installed. Similarly, if you want to uninstall some plugin, just find it out here and just there will be a button called uninstall. So you can uninstall them. Like here, I can see now what is installed. If you click install, you can see all the plugins installed. Right now, I don't have anything installed. So anyway, so you can install and uninstall plugins like this in Eclipse. This is a really good feature. I will just install this one now. And after installing each plugin, you should restart Eclipse ID. Otherwise, it's not going to be affected. Okay. It's taking some time. It depends on a lot of factors like speed and all. Yeah, see, it's done now. View and etc. Install. I accept. Finish. So it's done. So now I'm going to restart Eclipse. I'll go to File and here there is an option Restart. It's already. Yeah, it's restarted. And now I want to install that other plugin as well. Okay, I'll do this later on. Anyway, so now you have understood that how to install Java and Eclipse, and then you can work with that one. Okay. Hope you liked my video. I tried to show it very slowly, not too fast, because the people who starts in the beginning, it's important for them to see and watch the every step. Thank you very much for watching.